Welcome to Technical Academy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss SQL truncate statement. The truncate statement is used to delete all rows from a table. This is the syntax we can use to apply the truncate table statement. There is a difference between delete and the truncate statement. Delete statement removes rows from a table one by one. Truncate statement removes all the record in one go. Delete statement contains the where clause, whereas the truncate statement does not contain any where clause. That means we can provide a where condition in the delete statement, and the delete statement will remove the data from the table based the condition provided in the where clause. Let's understand the SQL truncate statement with the help of the given table. You can see that the given table contains only two records, and if we run the truncate command on this table, the truncate command will delete all the records from the table. So write truncate table and then give the table name. Truncate table and the table name. Select the statement and click on execute. Command completed successfully. And now if we try to retrieve the data from this table using the select statement, select the statement and click on execute. We will find row record exists in this table. That means once we run the truncate statement on this table, the table become empty and all the records from these tables are removed using the truncate statement. The truncate statement is very fast and does not require a where clause. That means unlike the delete statement, the truncate statement does not remove the rows one by one, and we cannot apply a specific condition to a table while executing a truncate statement. For example, if we need to remove a record from a table where the E code is 1003, we cannot use the truncate statement because it does not allow to include a where clause. In such cases, where we need to remove a row based on a specific condition, we will use the delete statement. So this is how we can differentiate between the truncate and the delete statements. And we have learned how to use the truncate statement to delete all records from a table.